team and roll.
All right. You want me to get down this section? You want me to go?
Does your section need any work?
Well, that V-net's he's got cats working down there.
Working in that area. Don, I need you in your section as the section chief. Go ahead and take your crew, roll down there. And if you've got some things that need to be accomplished, go ahead and work them.
We're going to take a couple of shuffles.
Take a couple of shuffles with you, take whatever you need, and at least get your section running.
Yeah. Pardon me. Oops, coming through.
Give all those to Jim, will you? Thank you, Kevin, thank you. Thank you, sir. I'm sorry I threw that glove at you last night, or night before last.
Am I worried about it? Other than the fact that I got soaked.
Yeah.
It was like throwing a water bottle or a water balloon out.
I know it.
Are your hands still yellow?
No, I washed it all off. It finally came off. We had one of the guns. We had a wide open pressure, straight up. And you know how you turn it off and it burps on you?
Yep. That's known as a shower.
Yeah, it burped. Yeah. I could have been anywhere if I dove in a lake.
As long as everything's still attached and you're
Yeah.
okay, life's good.
Cheers.
Cheers. Okay.
I'm gonna need you to move in waves. It's waves of 3 or 4, and we're going to move down the A-nets. Where there is too much snow against the A-nets, we're gonna move in a wing and we're gonna push the snow away from the A-net, like net 4. Where there is not enough snow against the A-nets, like net 5, we're going to push the snow into the A-nets. Crew chiefs, you know the program. Wedge snow from the outside. Next person wedges it a little closer. Next person wedges it a little closer and puts it against the A-net. If you move in groups of 4, 3 or 4, you will do a very nice job of this.
Get the idea, so we'll have about 3 teams spread across the course. So I like to have the stronger skiers over towards the middle of the course. The weaker skiers over towards the net, please. You know who you are. I hope.
You'll find out.
Yeah, exactly.
I've been involved with this since it started in '99, is when I came in. I've been with it every year that it's taken place. And for me, it's my satisfaction of doing it is to be part of the community, to give back to Ski Club Vail, to give back to the ski racing community that has supported my family since forever, it seems like. And thank you to the world for supporting our sport and keeping it going. There's no snowblower, that's down at Golden Eagle. Yeah. So the question is, should I collect what I dropped with this because it's only 50 yards?
There's usually a snowblower at that island, Tree Island, below.
No, this is at Golden Eagle.
Below Golden Eagle.
Oh look, she'll probably see it and take it if I can.
What's your name?
Tom.
Tom. Okay.
Go ahead, Ralph. Hey, I'm getting hooked up. I'm going to head back up.
Better be safe than sorry.
Don't pull plant.
There's upwards of 500 volunteers total, but the Talon crew, and that means the crew that are on the course, that's probably 150 a day. And this could not happen at all, period. Why we do it and why I've continued to do it after my first year is the camaraderie. it's just fun to see people again from other states, other parts of Colorado, even other countries. I met a former racer who felt like he was giving back a little bit because somebody else did it so he could race.
You know, the Talon crew is renowned for putting together the World Cup race here. You know, the Birds of Prey World Cup race. It's a downhill, and the preparation of the course is very demanding. I mean, it takes a heck of a lot of work from a lot of people.
The course is really awesome. I came from Romania, I never seen a slope like this before. It's very, very nice. Thank you very much.